We are in the top 4 of Big Brother All-Stars. With each player left a member of the Big Alliance, each player will have the perception that they made the bigger moves to get to this stage in the game. However, at the bottom of the top 4, I have Christmas. Christmas has floated along with the committee the whole game and hasn't really been pressured to play for most of it. After the Alliance were the only players left in the game, Christmas plotted to get out Nicole, but failed when Enzo voted to get out Tyler. At number 3, I have Enzo. Enzo wasn't a part of the committee, but it does seem like he has been carried along by Cody for most of the game. Enzo's best chance at winning the game will be taking him out. And if he is able to conspire to vote Cody out of the game, this move may put him on the same level as Nicole. Nicole takes the number 2 spot in this week's power rankings. Nicole's biggest angle if she makes it to the final 2 will be that she has already won the game. A winner has a target on their back the moment they walk through the door, and if she makes it to the end, she can contribute it to the relationship she has made. In the one HOH win she has won the season. Although this has not been the most exciting season, Cody has played the best game out of the remaining players. He was positioned with the Big Alliance and also made side alliances that kept him off the block all season. Cody is playing a very similar game to Big Brother winner Derek. All of the information is being delivered to him, and he has decided who the target will be and who is going home. He also has the tendency to reveal the right information to the right people at the right time. For example, revealing to Enzo that there was a big alliance before Tyler told him. This just builds even more trust with him. Cody also has the competition wins, which helps to strengthen his case. If Cody does make it to the end of the game, he will be the winner of Big Brother All-Stars. Let me know what your power rankings are like, and we'll see you in the next video.